Hi, my name is Harry. I'm from Crusher Sports. Today I'm going to review and test XF 2000 Fairchild electric bicycle. This bicycle behind me. So now I'm going to introduce the handlebar. And here you see this is a grip for the left handlebar. And this is a bike computer. They have 3 buttons and plus, minus, and the number 1. And the brand name is bike computer is Lanke Leisi. And here in the middle is a quick release for if you want to judge the angle of the handlebar, so people use that for that. And here go there, we can see Shimano shift levers is 7 speeds. And here is a throttle. And here is the grips for the right hand. Okay, come here. And this brake lever for left side is control the rear wheel, and here this brake lever is control the front wheel. So it's totally different for a regular bicycle. Here we come to the front light, and here you can see here there's a 1, 2, 3, 4. It have a 4 little light inside the headlight LED light here, and also you can change the angle as you need. It's pretty easy. Okay, so this is a switch suspension from front fork. So if I can lock that, and I also can open that for the suspension. So here we come to the travel for the front fork. Let's measure the length of the travel. You can see here it's about 8 centimeters for the travel. So here we come to the chain rail. You can see it's aluminum alloy frame for the chain rail. And also here is the pedal. The pedal is foldable. And then you have to press and fold. So this is the rear derailleur. It's a Shimano brand, 7 speeds. And here is free wheel. And here is the motor there. It's about 500 watt and 48 watt. Here we come to the brakes. This is the rotor for the brakes. The diameter is 160 millimeters, and also this is mechanical brakes there. Now we get into the front tire. The front tire, the size we can see the front tire. There's a base. It's 20-inch multiplies 4-inch. A 20-inch means the diameter of the wheel, and the 4-inch means the width of the tire. So the 4-inch, maybe you have no idea what's exactly the length for that. So we can put a cell phone here. You can see the tire even is larger than the foam. And also you can see there is a mini dose there. So this dose is for anti-slipping. So first I'm going to measure this bicycle, and always the ruler with me. So I will measure this bicycle for the seat, for the handlebar, and also for the wheels. So first this is measure the height of the seat. So I already put the seat in the lowest position. So see how low that is. So the lowest position for the seat is 84 centimeters. I will adjust the height to a regular height, to my waist. Almost for everyone should be okay. So let's see how high it is. The highest position is 103 centimeters. Like now, I'm going to measure the height of the handlebar from the ground. It's about 120 centimeters. Means the handlebar is 56. Now I measure the length from the handlebar to the middle of the seat. It's about 66. Okay, now we're going to show you how to use the bike computer. You can see here the 3 buttons. On the top button is the plus button, and there's the number 1 button, and here is the minus buttons. So if I press the number 1 button for 3 seconds, the bike computer will be turned on. And you can see here is assistant number 1 level is number one level. And if I press matters button, we go to there. If we turn on the throttle, this is the top speed for the electric bicycle. Could be like 34 kilometers per hour. If I press the plus button for 3 seconds, you will see here is the light on. The light here is on already. This button for 3 seconds again, you can see the light is turned off. And if I press the plus button, we can go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Assistant level is the number 5, which means that this is top speed for the assistant. Also, if you want to fold this handlebar, and there's a little button, press that, like okay, and then you can easily fold the handlebar. Okay, when you put it back, remember, okay, put it to back position. Press that. So here we come to the locker for the folding. So if we want to fold this bicycle, we need to first open that. So we have a press this little button front and pull it out, and then we can fold it out. And this is for battery, and this is for controller. Here you can see there's a charging mode there, which means that you can charge this battery here directly. And let's go down here. This key is for battery. A key lock the battery in the front. Okay.